PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair is a trusted company for commercial furnace repair in Norristown, Pennsylvania. Their certified technicians use cutting-edge tools and methods to repair a variety of furnace models quickly. They prioritize fixing your furnace quickly since they know it might affect company operations. PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides timely, dependable service, honest pricing, and customer satisfaction. Contact our commercial furnace repair today. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is a commercial furnace? Self-contained commercial gas furnaces heat air for a range of structures. Common propane furnaces heat commercial areas efficiently in many HVAC setups. How long should a commercial furnace last? Commercial HVAC systems last 15 to 20 years with proper maintenance. What is your service area for the Norristown, Pennsylvania office? Our local commercial furnace repair have helped clients in the Norristown, Fairview Village, Worcester, Eagleville, East Norriton, West Norriton, Audubon, Bridgeport, Center Square, Blue Bell, Broad Axe, Lafayette Hill, Conshohocken, King of Prussia, Arcola, Yerkes, Worcester, Jeffersonville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Norristown, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair office located? We are located at 204 DeKalb Street, Norristown, Pennsylvania 19401. Our phone number is 610-672-3056. Visit our website, https://pjmacbac.com/dekalb-st-norristown-hvac-service.